Okay, today we're doing vertical stretches and compressions, and we're doing reflections. Now we have this of the exponential function. We also have it of the quadratic function. Now this is the parent. The one in the middle is black. It's 2 to the x. You are going to use, when you do this yourself, you're going to use the Desmos graphing calculator, which is online, and you just pull that up on your Chromebook or your computer at home and type these in, and it'll just give it straight to you. Now I'll show you before I'm done with the video how to do that, or I'll attach a separate video with a couple of those done. All right. When you have a number in the front, and if the number in front of the function is a number bigger than 2, like this one is, or bigger than 1, I'm sorry. If the value is greater than 1, it's going to be what we call a vertical stretch, and we just name it this way, vertical stretch 2. If that number were 3, you'd say vertical stretch 3. This one here is a vertical compression of 1/2. That's because it's compressing the graph. Think of your own body. If you took your body and you multiplied your height by 2, that would be a stretch. And then if you took your body and you multiplied it by 1/2, you would be compressing yourself, and it would be a compression. So the graph in black is the original one. This one that's in red is the stretch. The graph is actually being stretched and pushed skinnier. This one in blue is the compression, where it's going down. And like I said, I'll model that on another video and attach it. Okay, with Desmos. This is 3 to the x in black. It looks very similar to 2 to the x. It just goes up a little steeper. Now, we're reflecting that graph. That means it's reflecting over x when it's on the outside. This graph that's in black actually flips down and reflects over the x-axis. It'll have the same points, they'll just be negative. When you see, and this is a typo on my notes, so when you see it like this, 3 to the x, when you see 3 to the negative x, then what's happening is that is reflecting over y. So this one is in blue, and it actually reflected this way over the y-axis. Okay. This one here, I just wanted you to see a stretch and a reflection together. The original function's in black. Now, you don't have to type the original function on your assignment. Your assignment just has this, and you don't have to type the parent. So this is 1/4 to the x right here. This one's going to reflect over the x-axis, and it's also going to have a vertical stretch of 2. And so when you put that into Desmos, this is what's going to happen with that graph. This is quadratic. Quadratic x squared is in the black area here, okay? And when you stretch, again, a number bigger than 1 is a stretch. A number smaller than 1, I'm not sure I said that earlier. A number smaller than 1 is a compression. So this one is being stretched by a factor of 2. That just means that everything's being doubled. Your y value is 1, double of y would be 2. Here, your y value is 2, double of that would be, here's 1, double would be 2. Here's 4, double would be 8. And so it's being stretched, and it goes this way. A compression is in blue, and it comes down. Now, like I said, I will model that with Desmos here in a little bit. I'll show you a couple graphs with Desmos. This, again, is a reflection. So if it's on the outside, it's a reflection over x. If it's on the inside, it's a reflection over y. Now, the way I help students remember that is outside is O. If that starts with the letter O, it reflects x. That's actually a word, ox. Inside starts with y. It reflects y. That's not a word, but if it's not ox, it's U, which is dumb sounding. But anyway, it will help you remember which way it's reflecting. If you look at this one, again, outside, OX is going to always be true. This one's on the inside. Actually, for exponential, all horizontal movement, all of everything is up in the exponent. So if it's up in the exponent, it's a reflection over y, and it's inside the parentheses up there. So still, it's a reflection over y. Now, I think I have finished these notes. Yes, I did. Thank you.